To access the RTI teacher resources, start at the home page and click on the My Programs icon. You will be redirected to the Browsing tab within your program. The table of contents will load. To the right is a Teacher Resources button. Click on the blue drop-down menu and scroll till you find the RTI Kit. Click on the Comprehension Student Work text. Once the document loads, you can scroll through the pages and choose the individual page you want to print or download the whole entire document. Click Exit to return to the main menu. If you want to pull up the fluency passages, again, click on the Teacher Resources drop-down menu and scroll till you find the RTI Fluency. Scroll through the pages that you want. Print them or download them.